Today is Monday, April 18, 2022, and welcome to the Pueo News. We are returning with a new news team to give you updates on the week ahead at Maui Prep as the school year comes to a close. We will cover clubs, sports, and special events, plus highlight what Chef Juan has in store for lunch during the week. In the meantime, here's a short broadcast to kick things off. First up, uniforms. Please use good taste and common sense when getting dressed for school. You must be in school uniform at all times except for PE and after school, or on designated theme days. On Fridays, students can wear other Pueo gear with logos such as Pueo athletic shirts and t-shirts. Senior students are permitted to dress in shirts and jackets from colleges to which they have been formally accepted for admission. Untucked shirts are allowed, but no bare midriffs. Leggings are fine, but tops must be long enough to ensure modesty. Shorts must reach between the mid-thigh and the knee. No underwear should be visible. Hats, caps, hoods, or sunglasses must not be worn indoors. Jackets and sweatshirts are allowed indoors only if they include the Maui Prep school crest or the school's athletic logo. Take care, unless you want to face the wrath of Kirkham in a likely 30-minute lunch or after-school detention. Speaking of theme days, this is College Week and Friday is College Dress Day, so wear anything from your favorite college. The week begins with the NAHS Art Contest, where you draw or design your ideal college. On Tuesday, bring a college mascot with you to school. The Student Senate is running a college trivia contest on Wednesday, and there is also a question and answer session about college with grades 4 and 5. On Thursday there's a college bingo contest as well as our own mini college fair. Lunch today is teriyaki chicken. There's a cheeseburger tomorrow, chicken katsu on Wednesday, cheese ravioli with a tomato cream sauce on Thursday, and finally pepperoni pizza on Friday. All meals come with side and milk, with chocolate milk every Wednesday. Parents are invited to a college planning workshop on Wednesday evening at Maui Prep. Upper school students are encouraged to attend the Maui-wide college fair on the other side Thursday evening with over 70 colleges: Hawaii, California, Oregon, Colorado, Arizona, and more. Here are some calendar highlights. Last weekend, boys and girls individual golf male championships started. Those continue this coming weekend along with a surf meet Saturday morning down in Lahaina. Track competes on Friday at the Kamehameha Relays. Good luck to all of our student athletes. The Pueo Poggers Rocket League team is the finals, playing their first playoff game against Kamehameha a week from today. There are also the usual clubs plus College Week events. That's it for now. Watch for next Monday's broadcast. Have a great week, and go Pueo!